Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all. This is week 7, lecture 2 of chapter Planet and the Solar System. In previous lecture, we study about sun and its details, solar and lunar eclipse. Now, in this lecture, we start reading of the heading Planet. Open your book, Planets. Planets are nearly spherical in shape. The imaginary path on which each planet revolves is called the orbit. Each planet has a separate orbit. The planets also rotate on their axis during their revolution around the Sun. Mercury. Mercury is the nearest planet to the Sun. Mercury lies at a distance of 43 million miles from the Sun. It does not have any moon around it. Mercury completes one revolution around the Sun in 88 days. Now, on the next page, it's Venus. Venus is the hottest planet of the solar system. This is because its atmosphere is made up of poisonous acidic gases. Like Mercury, it has no moons. The distance from Sun to Venus is 67 million miles. It takes nearly 224 days to complete a revolution around the Sun. Now, it's time for explanation. There are 8 planets in our solar system. We discuss them one by one. As you can see the picture of the solar system right now. All 8 planets are revolve on orbits around the Sun. First, Mercury. It is nearest to the Sun but not hot because it has no atmosphere to hold heat. Distance is 43 million miles. It does not have any moon. It completes its revolution around the Sun in 88 days. Now, second is Venus. It is the hottest planet of the solar system. Its atmosphere is made up of poisonous acetic gases. It has no moon. Its distance is 67 million miles from the Sun. It takes 224 days to complete revolution around the Sun in orbit. Now we start reading of our new heading, that is Earth. Now open your book. Earth. Earth is the only planet of the solar system where conditions are most suitable for life. This is because of the presence of oxygen and water within its atmosphere. It is at a distance of about 92.9 million miles from the Sun. Earth has only one moon. Earth completes its revolution around the Sun in 365 days. This duration is considered as 1 year on Earth. Next is Mars. Mars is also called the red planet because of its surface color. This is because its soil is made mostly of iron. Iron reacts with the atmosphere to produce rust. Mars is located at 141.6 million miles from the Sun. Mars has two moons, Phobos and Deimos. Mars takes about 687 days to complete a revolve around the Sun. Now, the Earth is the only planet of solar system where conditions are favorable for life. It has oxygen and water. Its distance is about 92.9 million miles from the Sun. It has one moon. It completes revolution in orbit in 365 days, which is equal to a year. Next is Mars, which is red in color. because of iron on it. It is 141.6 million miles away from sun. It has two moons. It takes 687 days to complete its revolution. Now, this is the end of today's lecture. I have made some key points about the planets that we have discussed in this lecture for better understanding. Number 1 is Mercury. Mercury is nearest to the Sun. It's 43 million miles away from the Sun. Do not have moon. It take 88 days for complete revolution around the Sun. Now, the second is Venus. Second number and the hottest planet of the solar system. It has no moon, 67 million miles away from the sun, 224 days to complete revolution around the sun. Now the earth. It has life, 92.9 million miles away from the sun. It has one moon. It takes 365 days for complete revolution around the sun. The next one is Mars, called the red planet. It is 141.6 million miles away from the sun. It has two moons. It takes 687 days for complete revolution around the sun. Now, student, I will send you the picture of these key points in the end of the video so you can learn them. Now it's time for assignment. Do reading of the chapter. Do learn chart of key points.